Are you a scientist looking to immigrate to the USA? Picture this, a land of opportunities where cutting-edge research and innovative ideas are not just encouraged but celebrated. Yet making the decision to immigrate is a significant one, requiring careful thought and preparation. It's not just about packing your bags and hopping on a plane. It's about understanding the complexities, the procedures, and the life awaiting you. So you have decided to take the leap and move to the USA. What's next? The first step in your journey is understanding the visa options available to you. The United States offers a myriad of visas, each designed for a specific purpose and applicant. Scientists, for instance, may consider the H-1B visa, designed for professionals in specialized fields. It is often used by companies seeking to employ foreign workers in a specialty occupation. Another option is the O-1 visa, reserved for individuals with an extraordinary ability or achievement in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics. In addition, there are the EB-1, EB-2, and EB-3 employment-based immigrant visas. The EB-1 is for individuals with extraordinary ability, outstanding professors and researchers, and multinational managers or executives. The EB-2 is for professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional ability. The EB-3 is for skilled workers, professionals, and other workers. Each visa has its unique requirements and benefits. Once you have identified the right visa for your needs, it's time to start the application process. The visa application process can seem daunting, but with the right preparation, you can navigate it with ease. It all begins with gathering the necessary documentation, which includes a valid passport, a completed application form, and a detailed letter of intent outlining your proposed activities in the United States. Once these documents are in order, the next step is scheduling your visa interview. This is a crucial component of the application process, as it gives you the opportunity to directly address any potential concerns the visa officer might have. To increase your chances of a successful application, be prepared to clearly articulate your professional goals, demonstrate your intent to return home after your stay, and provide evidence of your financial stability. Remember, every visa application is unique, so don't be discouraged if your process differs slightly from what's been described. It's all part of your unique journey to becoming a resident in the United States. After your visa is approved, you're ready for the final step, arrival in the USA. Congratulations! You've made it to the USA, but the journey doesn't end here. Upon your arrival, it's crucial to report to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection. Start settling into your new home and remember to stay compliant with the terms of your visa. It's not just about getting here, it's about thriving here. For more detailed information and guidance on the immigration process, visit move2usajobs.com. Your American dream is closer than you think.